Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how can you fix the Adobe Premiere Pro export issues. Sometimes you cannot export your videos or they get stuck or freezed. So to fix this, what you have to do is that simply first of all go to your home section and search for add or remove programs. Now over here, simply search for your Adobe Premiere Pro, then click on it and uninstall this application. Once you do that, you very simply have to go to the Google Chrome and search for adobe.com. Now from here, simply buy the premium version or buy the official version of this application, because not having the official version of this application can lead to having errors such as the export issues. You simply have to click on buy now, then simply install this application. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.